Want to create studio quality songs with AI in just a few minutes? In this how to use Udio AI music generator tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to create original songs, customize lyrics, choose music styles, and export your AI generated music, even if you've never made a song before. Hello everyone, welcome back. First, visit the Udio website and click sign up. Create your account using Google or your email, then log in to access the dashboard. From the homepage, you'll find the prompt box at your recent creations and the create section, where you can generate new music. For this demo, click create and type a prompt describing your song. For example, an emotional pop song about chasing dreams with female vocals and cinematic piano. You can also add your own lyrics or let Udio generate them for you. Then choose the song length, music style, and any advanced settings you want before clicking create. Udio generates multiple versions so you can compare and choose your favorite. Once your song is ready, preview each version. If you want to improve it, you can edit the lyrics, extend the track, remix it, or even upload your own audio to create a new version or continue an existing recording. These editing tools make it easy to refine your music without starting over. Another great feature is styles. Instead of writing long prompts, you can use reference songs or style settings to guide the AI toward the sound you're looking for. This helps create more consistent results across different genres. Now let's talk about pricing. Udio offers a free plan with generation credits, making it easy to learn the platform before upgrading. Paid subscriptions provide more credits, faster generation, advanced creation tools, and higher usage limits for creators who produce music regularly. When you're happy with your song, save it to your library, download it if your plan allows, or share it directly with others. Always make sure you understand Udio's terms and only upload audio that you own or have permission to use. If this how to use Udio AI music generator tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more AI tutorials, and let me know which AI tool you'd like to learn next. Personal opinion. Based on my testing and research, Udio is one of the easiest AI music generators for beginners, though your experience may vary.